shit's clean, bro. Not bad. Bad at all. Let's see what this little 4.6 can do. All right, so before the runs do get underway, I want to put this out there right now. I don't know anybody that I raced during this whole kind of event. The whole theme was 500 horsepower or more. And obviously, my car doesn't make 500 horsepower, so I don't know the modifications that were made to any of these cars. Now, I do know for a fact that some of these cars were on nitrous. There was a Nitrous Truck, and there was a NITROUS 5.0 that I did race. And honestly, that's pretty cool. You don't really see nitrous being used nowadays. It's usually just turbos and superchargers, so it was kind of a breath of fresh air to see how these cars perform. And also, my car currently has a very, very bad exhaust leak. Around 5,500 RPM, it just completely cuts power. It'll lean out and then it'll kind of correct itself. So during some of these races, it's going to seem like my car just completely stops accelerating. That's why I think the exhaust manifolds for my Shorty Headers are completely done and leaking like crazy. So what I did was actually order a set of long tubes. So hopefully the next time you will see a racing video on the channel, I'll have this fixed and we can actually go ahead and see what the car can do when it has full potential. Now, my car makes 410, 400 right now. With this exhaust leak and it cutting out, who knows what it makes, but I think these runs are pretty damn solid. Hope you guys do enjoy, and yeah, let's get right into it. Fuel, my car cut out. Good race though. What? Yeah, he wants to put it. You want to run it? Oh, what the fuck? Trying to run it? What the hell? Roll your window down. Ask me if to do a 40. Yeah, ask me if to do a 40. 40? You said no? What? He doesn't want it. No? Hey, my shit's slow, bro. My shit's slow, bro. He said, fuck that. My shit's slow, bro. I promise you.
Hey, come on, run it, 40.
I lost to a truck. My shit's slow. you guys enjoyed that video. As I'm making this outro, I literally just got my long tube headers in the mail. The only thing I'm waiting on to come in is going to be the matching X pipe. We're going to get all that installed, and then I'm going to actually see how the car performs without the exhaust leaks. Now, I did have a feeling that there was a exhaust leak on the car. I didn't know how bad it was. At first, I thought it was the car acting up around a quarter tank of gas, but you guys saw in the video, even with a full tank of gas, it was still cutting out. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be saying it's definitely the fuel system, but it's not. I have 80-pound injectors as well as a Walbro fill pump that's good for 550 wheel horsepower. So I know for a fact it's not the fuel system. This car is not making anywhere near that on the last tune that was on it. My duty cycle was only about 30% at watt, so I know for a fact it's not the fuel pumps at all. It has to do with the manifolds leaking, the X pipe leaking, as well as the current tune that's on the car. So we're gonna get all this installed. I'm gonna see how the car performs with just the swapped manifold and the X pipe. If it still starts to cut out, I know for a fact that I just need to get a full retune. Obviously, that's something that's gonna be needed anyway to get the benefits of the long tube headers and a non-leaking X pipe. So we're gonna find out what this car actually makes without any exhaust leaks, with long tube headers and a 2.87 pulley. The car currently makes like 410, 400, but I think with these minor modifications, the car is definitely going to probably pick up, I'd say, a good 40 to 60 wheel horsepower, depending on how much juice the tuner does give it. So we'll find out. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. And also, I hear you guys from the last video. I think I'm going to keep the FRS. Actually, I am going to keep the FRS. So we're going to find out exactly what that car is going to be putting down next year when it gets rebuilt. So stay on the lookout. We got a lot of things coming on the channel. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.